Hi guys, so for everyone who's having difficulties with the Argus Pro check atomizer issue, I just found the solution regarding this one. So if you check in this part, sorry, yeah, this one. So don't push this coil too much, like see that one. Don't push it too hard because it won't be able to penetrate uh, these two knobs over here. So what you need to do is like it's like this one. Just push it out a little bit. Just be careful not to spill your juice. Okay, I think that's good already. Bring it back and sorry, I think we need to push it a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then there, that's the solution. It's good. Okay guys, so I just found the solution for the check atomizer issue of Argus Pro or any pods that you're having. For this one, for the coil, don't push it too hard. Don't push this one too hard. Push it out a little bit so that it will penetrate on this small knobs right here. So this one, see, good.